Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the B&W Tow and Stow Chrome adjustable 2-ball mount for 2.5-inch hitches. Now this ball mount has the built-in hitch balls that'll let you hook up your trailer to your tow vehicle. The shank right back here, this is what will slide into your 2.5-inch by 2.5-inch hitch receiver opening. And then the hitch balls up front is what will provide the connection point for your trailer coupler. And if you notice on this one, they give you a choice of 2 different size hitch balls, so it'll let you tow trailers with different coupler sizes. Have a 2-inch diameter here, and if you flip it around, you'll have a 2 5/16 diameter hitch ball. And to switch the ball, it's very easy to do. Just remove the pin and the clip, rotate the ball to what size you need, and then reinsert the pin and clip. Just to show you how we'll do that, take out the clip, slide out the pin, and then you'll notice this rotates. So just like that, you can rotate it to the larger ball if you're going to use it, put your pin and clip back in, secure it, and you're ready to go. If you need the 2-inch ball, rotate it back, and just like that. So it's very simple to rotate to what ball size you need. Put your pin back through there, clip it into place, and you're ready to go. One thing I do want to mention, you do want to be aware of that the gross towing weight capacity will change depending on the ball size you use. If you use the smaller 2-inch ball, it'll be a 7,500 pound gross towing weight capacity, and that is stamped on the top of the ball. If you flip it around to the 2 5/16 diameter ball, it'll get you an 18,000 pound gross towing weight capacity. Now this does also offer adjustable height. You can see here the channel here allows you to move this ball mount up or down along it and secure it in place with the pins and clips to get what height you need. So it'll let you tow trailers of different heights with the same vehicle. Now if you use it in the maximum drop position, which is this position right here, you have it down as far as it goes, it'll get you a 7-inch maximum drop that's measured from here to here. If you flip this over in your hitch into the rise position and then put this ball mount at the highest position, it'll get you a maximum rise of 7.5 inches. It does give you incremental adjustments of 1 3/8 inches, and that's the measurement between these adjustment holes center to center. And just to show you what we're talking about to adjust the height, take out our 2 clips, take out our pin, and once we get our pins out, you'll notice the ball mount will slide just like that in what position you need. So if you need it to go up, find the holes that line up, put them in place, and you're ready to go. So you adjust it to what height you need. The other nice feature on this is it offers a stowable design. And I do want to demonstrate that because that's a really neat, unique feature. It'll let you store this ball and mounting platform underneath your vehicle. You just flip it underneath. So what I would recommend first doing before you flip it is take out the pin and clip and then just rotate the balls to where they're horizontal. Put the clip in, or the pin back in, and it'll go in the back hole. That's why there's 2 holes. And then lock it into place, and that'll give you more room so when you put it underneath, you won't run into anything. Now you can see you can just flip this around just like that, and then you'll have all the clearance you need. You can slide this up or down to get extra clearance. But then you have nothing up front here that you run into with your shins. It'll protect your shins from getting damaged walking around back when you're not towing anything. And then you just put your pins and clips in and you're ready to go. The other feature it offers is an anti-theft design. You might wonder, well, I could just remove this. Somebody could take it when they take the pins out. Well, it can be removed from the shank. You have to slide it all the way up and then pull it out. So it can be removed. But the trick is, when this is installed like this, and you put this into your hitch receiver, you want to put a hitch lock in one of these holes to hold it and lock it into place. Once it's installed in a hitch receiver, there's not enough room to slide that ball mount out this way to remove it from the channel. So once you have it, they designed it to when this is installed and locked into place. Now if you just use a pin and clip, somebody could take the pin and clip out, but I would highly recommend using a hitch lock for extra security. And those hitch locks we do sell separately on our website. They're usually listed on this product page as a related product. But again, once you get it back into the in-use position, we'll go ahead and line the holes up. Put your pins all the way back through again. Clip it into place. And you're secure and all ready to go. Now this does use a dual process chrome plating on the shank and the balls, so it provides excellent rust resistance. The pins that we use, they are stainless steel pins. They create sturdy rust resistant connections, and this whole piece is a durable steel construction. Uses high yield tubing to give you superior strength. This part is made in the USA. Last thing I'm going to do is measure some dimensions for you, and what we're going to do is I'm going to rotate the balls back into position like if you were towing with it. Because what we're going to do is give you the measurements. There's 2 hitch pin holes right up here, and we're going to measure from each hitch pin hole to the center of the ball just to give you that measurement. So if we do it with the closest, what I'm going to do is here's your closest hitch pin hole right here. And if we measure from the center of that to the center of the ball hole, if I put a ruler on that, it's going to get you 9 1/4 inches. Now if we measure from the furthest hole to the center of the ball, that's going to get you, line it up there, right at about 10 3/8 inches. Now one last thing I do want to mention on this is to avoid this tow and stow ball mount from hitting any steep driveways or curbs. We do recommend at least 11 inches of clearance between the ground and the lowest point of your drop hitch, whatever point is the lowest point. In other words, when you do install this into your hitch on your vehicle, measure from the ground to the lowest point and make sure you have at least 11 inches of clearance so you don't have any problems hitting steep driveways or curbs. But that's going to do it for the review on this B&W Tow and Stow Chrome Adjustable 2 Ball Mount for 2.5 inch hitches.